friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So I'm here with the index levels update for the coming week. I will discuss the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank level for the coming week, and we'll discuss some important data also. So stay connected till the end and smash the like button now for the index level update, and subscribe the channel also for stock market update and news and the stock buying level for investment purpose. So let's start the video with the important data came actually in last week only, last week I guess Friday. Yes, that is the GDP data. Yes, the financial year 24 GDP data has come, which is at 8.2%. 8.2%. It has actually increased from the last financial year 2023, which was last year it was 7%. So from 7% now it has become the 8.2%. I mean it has beaten up the estimation from the CNBC also. 7.8% means at the both parameter the GDP level has shown a very good increase, very good improvement, and that is 8.2%, at 8.2%, which actually it is a very good news for the stock market. So this is the level. And अगर क्वार्टर का देखें तो क्वार्टर का भी GDP has come very good 7. It is quarter FY24 GDP is at 7.8%. So this was a short and information about the stock market news, stock market data which has come in last week. Now let's go to the chart. What is happening in Nifty and Nifty Bank, that I will discuss, and then we'll predict for the level for the coming week. So what was happening in last week? Let's see the Nifty 50 chart. So I have come on the Nifty 50 chart, and you can see I have drawn this line, this horizontal line, two horizontal line which is showing actually support and resistance. But as I always say, उसके बीच में भी बहुत सारे मैं लेवल बोलती हूँ, that you should always keep in mind that this is a weekly chart. So लेवल में बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा गैप भी होता है. तो I want to discuss on weekly levels, weekly basis. So we can see what was happening in Nifty 50 last week. This is the last week candle, and even before that Nifty 50 continuously forming the higher high and higher low. See, higher high, then higher, then higher, then higher. And you can see higher low also, higher low, then higher low, then higher low, and then higher low. So Nifty 50 continuously making higher high and higher low formation. And the last week candle is also a bullish engulfing candle. You can see, uh, I will zoom it. You can see nicely. This is the bullish engulfing candle, which is showing a very positive scenario for the Nifty, for the stock market, or it is showing actually uptrend continuation. Yes, Nifty 50 is already in uptrend. See, this is already in uptrend, but this is not going to fall. Seeming like in next week also, this is going to continue this uptrend even more than this all-time high level. Yes, Nifty 50 has touched the all-time high. I will say in every week, even I can say every day. Every day Nifty 50 is touching the all-time high, or even last week so it has even given the all-time high closing also. ये close हुआ है 20, it has, if I can say, so it has closed on 24, even 24,000 above than 24,000. तो 24,000 के ऊपर giving closing is actually showing a bullish trend. So, or even before than that, it was every single day it was higher and higher, higher and high, and touching the new all time every single week. Even I if I remember, every single day also it was touching the new all time high. So Nifty 50 is very positive, very good, showing very good strong going, showing very good strength also. And we can say next week is also giving us a good news. So what can be the level? The level, so this candle is looking very strong, and it's the opening point, which is actually 23,350. 23,350 can be a very very strong support for the Nifty 50. Yes, it should not break this till it not breaking this level. 50-50 will be in a uptrend, will be in a higher movement. So strong support I am taking, which is 23,350. But yes, before then 23,350, it will be the 23,700 and 800 around. Also a very good support. So first let it break the 23,700 and 800 and 700. Then it will touch the 23,350, which can be act as which can act as a which can act as a very strong support. It's crossing the 23,000. I can say 24,200. Yes, exact figure बोलो तो 24,175 है. So 24,200 around, I'm taking the round figure. So 24,200 around, if it's crossing it and sustaining also, ये नहीं कि टच करके वापस आ जाए. So if it's crossing and sustaining the 24,200 here, it will definitely reach even next week 24,500, and I'm expecting even 25,000 in even coming week. Even after next week to next week 25,000 भी आ सकता है, but only after 20 breaking 24,500. That has been even not touched, that has been even not touched by Nifty 50. So I'm not jumping in that level, 25,000 level. That I will discuss later in next week video. But this week video, I'm taking only this support, which is 24,500 for next week, as I'm talking short term index level. So 24,500 can be a good resistance, can act as a very good resistance. And but 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 first let it break the 24,200. So Nifty 50 level for coming week can be support 23,350 and resistance 24,500, only after breaking 24,200. Now let's discuss the Nifty Bank. What is happening in Nifty Bank also? So as I discussed the Nifty 50 level, the same thing happening in Nifty Bank also. You can see the chart. I have drawn this line, both the horizontal line, which is showing actually support and resistance. So Nifty Bank is also the 50, 51,000, 2,000, 52,000 also broken. So means all the resistance Nifty Bank is breaking, uh, and it is also making a higher high and higher low formation, which is you can see 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 here. So this also showing a very bullish uptrend. Yes, bullish trend means uptrend में ही है Nifty Bank. It is not going to fall, even looking like, seeming like in next week it is not going to fall. But this support we should definitely discuss. This support should not be broken by Nifty Bank, which is actually 51,100. या फिर मैं अगर एग्जैक्ट साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट की बात करूँ तो, और टेक्निकल सपोर्ट भी है which is 51,000. Both support is 51,000 is very very strong support, but before that 51,000 51,200 is also a very good support. 51,000, then 51,200, and then 51,600. तो ये दो तीन लेवल जो मैं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, that I'm not going to discuss in final levels, but yes, that these levels are very important for the trader only who are trading on the specific range. So that's so this range is this level is very important, which is actually 51,600. तो ये दो तीन लेवल जो है वो आप ध्यान में रखना. एंड ऊपर के लेवल पे इसका भी एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा रेजिस्टेंस इसने लिया था, जो कि मैं बोलूँ 53,200 है. 53,200 इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, not strong actually, no. 53,200 it has actually taken a small resistance, जो कि अगर टूट जाता है तो if it crossing this 53,200, then definitely it will reach very soon to 55,000. We are going to celebrate 55,000 next week, or maybe in coming week, or in coming month July, because in July there is a budget also, so it may consolidate, or it may take a little break for the higher jump. So we have to see the actually in coming week, but yes, in coming month और coming week में yes 53,200 का लेवल थोड़ा सा इसको रेजिस्टेंस दे रहा है, बट हाँ आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 53,200, 55,000 इज ऑन कार्ड. सो और सपोर्ट मैं डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट एट 51,000, बट बिफोर दैट 51,500 एंड 51,200 एंड देन 51,000. ये दो तीन स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट हैं जो आप अपने माइंड में यू कैन कीप इन योर माइंड. सो निफ्टी बैंक लेवल फॉर द कमिंग वीक कैन बी सपोर्ट 51,000 and resistance 55,000, but only and only after breaking 53,200. Yes, 53,200. So this was a short scenario, short picture of the stock market. I can discuss in a short only, and I will repeat the level again. Nifty 50 level support 23,350 and resistance 24,500 after breaking 24,200 only. And Nifty bank level support 51,000 and resistance 55,000, but only after breaking 53,200. If you have any question regarding any stock you are holding or any index level, you can comment me in comment box, and you can DM me also on Twitter and Instagram. The ID is on your screen. Just like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular update of the stock market and index level and stocks buying level. Signing off.